Hey, we're amazing friends. Here's what's happening on day 3 of my 5-day water cleanse. This morning, something shifted. My body went into release mode. And with that, everything felt different. Day 1 was the decision to start this 5-day cleanse. And day 2 was the battle of my mind with food cravings. And today, day 3 is where everything started releasing, letting go. Physically, my stomach feels bloated and puffy and heavy. Even though my body is moving things through, it's because my body is still processing. I'm super connected to my body and I'm observing her and understanding her. I don't feel hungry at all and my food cravings have settled down. I actually went to the fridge, looked, and I was okay with it and went back and had some more water. Mentally, I'm clear, I'm focused, I'm disciplined, creative, calm, and I'm in control and in the flow. Emotionally, things are coming up and I'm processing them really quickly and moving them through. I'm releasing what no longer serves me, and with all that emotional release, I'm creating space for alignment and keeping grounded. Spiritually, I feel so connected, aligned, centered, and inside myself in a big way. Overall, I feel amazing. Look at this beautiful day. The sun's out. Amazing friends, this isn't easy, but it just shows how disciplined you can be. And it showed my steadfastness and my tenacity. Day 3 is where things change. It's where we surrender to the process by trusting our intelligent body because she knows exactly what she's doing. So we're amazing friends, let's shift our mindset, stabilize our energy, trust the process, and then we rise. Have a amazing day.